I'm Dr. Ruotolo. I'm an orthopedic surgeon and president of Total Orthopedics and Sports Medicine. And today we're going to go over your post-op instructions after rotator cuff surgery. So just for your recovery at a glance, there's a couple different things that we're going to focus on. One is you're going to be wearing a sling. Two, you're going to be icing your shoulder or using a cryocuff. You're going to be starting therapy early on, and eventually you're going to start strengthening, but you're not going to do that until 8 weeks. So one is your sling. You're going to use your sling the first 4 weeks, and you're going to wear that at all times, including when sleeping. The only times you can take your arm out of your sling is to do what's called pendulum exercises or when you're showering. And when you're showering, as soon as you're done with the shower, you're going to put your arm back in the sling. Also, when you're showering, when you take your sling off, just hold your arm at your side. You're not going to be using that arm for showering. As far as icing goes, you're going to either use regular bags of ice or an ice pack or what's something called a Cryocuff or an ice machine. If you're using ice on day one, you're going to be icing your shoulder a half hour on, half hour off, up until about 11 o'clock at night. From there, it's at least 3 times a day, a half hour on, a half hour off. But if you love the ice, you can ice your shoulder all day long, half hour on, half hour off. If you're someone who got the Cryocuff, it's nice about the Cryocuff, it fits around your shoulder so you don't wake up with the ice pack somewhere lower in your back. The Cryocuff, you're going to use continuously the first day after surgery. You can run that straight through to 11 o'clock at night. But then after that, you're going to do it a half hour on, half hour off. I'd like you to do it at least 3 times a day after the first day after surgery. Definitely do it like a half hour before you try and sleep because that helps you for sleeping. But if you love the Cryocuff, just like the ice, you can do it 24 times a day, a half hour on, half hour off. As far as your pain medication goes, there's a couple different things that we do. So one is you're going to get a nerve block, which is this injection in your shoulder, which will help numb up your arm. But on top of that, we're going to supplement you with the multimodal pain medication approach. So first we have you use Tylenol. Tylenol is an over-the-counter medication. You can take 650 milligrams of this. You're going to take this every 6 hours. Outside of that, you're also going to take oxycodone as needed for pain, and you're going to take Jornarvix. You're going to be doing something called pendulum exercises starting the day after surgery. Typically, you'll come in the day after surgery, see myself or one of our orthopedic surgeons. We'll change your dressings. You'll be able to shower after you see us, and we'll also show you how to start pendulum exercises. Pendulum exercises are an exercise where you just lean over, let your arm hang down, and you're going to do some circles with your arm. And that way you get your arm up to this position without actually lifting your arm, because we don't want you lifting your arm at all the first 4 weeks after surgery. You're going to follow up the day after surgery again for your dressing change. There we'll get you set up for physical therapy. Physical therapy usually starts 3 to 4 days out from surgery. It's important at physical therapy that the first month you're just doing passive motion, meaning you might be laying on your back and the therapist is lifting your arm for you, but you're not doing any active assisted motion. Active assisted motion would be using pulleys or taking your hand with a stick and lifting it with your other hand. None of that starts until 4 weeks after surgery. So it's only passive motion the first 4 weeks. It's active assisted motion the second 4 weeks, and strengthening only starts at 8 weeks after surgery. No matter what strengthening, really all strengthening should only start at 8 weeks after surgery. This was your post-op recovery instructions. It's very important that you understand your instructions, because if you understand your instructions, you won't make a mistake as you're kind of moving forward here. And your recovery is our priority at Total Orthopedics and Sports Medicine.